The many meanings of poor. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll be diving into a simple word with multiple meanings, poor. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use this word in different contexts. Poor is an adjective that often describes lack of wealth or money. For example, if someone doesn't have enough money to buy basic necessities, we can say they are poor. Example 1. Many poor families struggle to make ends meet. Example 2. He grew up in a poor neighborhood. Poor can also describe inferior quality or a bad condition. When something doesn't meet the expected standards, we can describe it as poor. Example 1. The movie received poor reviews from critics. Example 2. The soil here is poor, so it's hard to grow crops. When someone isn't feeling well or is in bad health, the term poor can be used to describe their condition. Example 1. After his surgery, he was in poor health. Example 2. She has a poor appetite these days. In some contexts, poor is used to express sympathy or pity towards someone who is in a challenging situation. Example 1. Poor John. He missed the train again. Example 2. The poor dog was left out in the rain. As you can see, the word poor is versatile and can be used in various contexts. It's more than just a word for financial status. It touches on quality, health, and even emotions. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of the English language. Remember, context is key, so always pay attention to how words are used in sentences. Happy learning!